Hi, this is Rahul Rajan here, and I am the director of the Glory Homestay. Always glad to welcome you more and more.
Welcome to Khajuraho Glory Homestay, one of the most preferred homestays in the beautiful heritage city of Khajuraho. Experience neat, clean, and comfortable rooms designed to make your stay relaxing and memorable.
Enjoy delicious homemade food prepared with care, bringing you the authentic taste of Khajuraho.
Discover nearby waterfalls, enjoy exciting national park safaris, and relax with rejuvenating massage services. From transportation arrangements to experienced temple guides, we help you explore Khajuraho comfort, ease and comfort. Everything you need for a perfect Khajuraho experience is available. Khajuraho Glory Homestay. Book your stay today.